Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be super awesome because I have a brand new gaming mouse to show you all. Now this is something very special from Corsair and I've been waiting since a long time to get my hands on it. It's the newest top of the line and the most expensive gaming mouse I've used till now. It's the Dark Core RGB Pro Wireless. This is a wireless RGB gaming mouse that comes with some crazy level specs. And also one more thing I'd like to mention is, this is the first piece that has been imported to India, so I'm probably the first person to get my hands on it and make an exclusive video for you guys. Sounds awesome, right? So make sure you watch the video till the end to know exactly what's special about this product. So as I've told you, it's a wireless gaming mouse made specially for FPS and MOBA games like Pubg, CSGO, Call of Duty and games like that. Alright, let's quickly unbox it and check out the product. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. I like this Corsair's black and yellow color scheme and the packaging quality is also good. So in the box you get some paperwork, make sure to read that. And a high quality USB Type-C cable so you can even use it in wired mode, plus for charging the mouse as well. And finally, here's the mouse we've been waiting for, Corsair's new Dark Core RGB Pro. Holy shit, this looks awesome! We'll just get back to that in a moment. Along with that, you also get an interchangeable side grip that magnetically attaches to the mouse, and a USB dongle to use it in the Corsair's 2.4G slipstream mode. That's it, these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. So this is how the new Dark Core RGB Pro from Corsair looks like. Dark Core series was already quite popular and this is a new addition to the lineup. And the best part about it is, it's a wireless gaming mouse. The mouse offers up to 3 different connectivity options. One is via Bluetooth, the second one is via 2.4G wireless dongle, and the third is you can even use it in wired mode by connecting a Type-C cable. The Dark Core features a custom PixArt optical sensor with up to 18,000 dpi. By the way, are you guys looking at the finishing and the build quality? Excellent build quality. It's got a two-tone finish with a matte finish on the upper half and a textured rubber finish for the lower half. So I've told you that the side grip on it is interchangeable, right? Yes, you can simply pull it out like this and replace it with the other wing-shaped grip in the box. They've got magnets in them and automatically attach when you bring them close, just like this. You can use any one of those depending on your personal preference. We'll be talking about the comfort as well in a moment. First, let me give you an overview on the mouse and show you what's present on it. The Dark Core Pro has 8 fully programmable buttons with ultra-durable arm-run switches. It's got the usual left and right click, a scroll wheel at the center, an onboard profile switch button with an LED indicator just above that. To the left side, you've got a DPI increase and decrease buttons, back and forward buttons, DPI level indicators, and a whole lot of RGB lighting. It's got a special 9-zone dynamic RGB lighting with a light bar that is fully customizable using the IQ software. Going to the bottom side, this is where you'll need to connect a Type-C cable either for charging or to be used in the wired mode. And this is how the bottom part looks like. It's got a lot of skid pads all over the area, a custom PixArt optical sensor with 18,000 fully adjustable DPI, and a mode switch on the bottom. Well, that was a complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just connect it to my PC and show you how the mouse looks like. Holy smokes, are you guys seeing that RGB lighting? Hands down, this is one of the best looking wireless gaming mouse I've seen till now. Alright, let me tell you about the comfort. The Dark Core RGB Pro offers a palm type grip and feels very comfortable to hold in the hand. The grip was also very good thanks to that rubberized texture, and since the mouse was not that heavy, I could easily move it around while gaming without any stress on the hand. It was offering a quite comfortable experience even while gaming for long periods. Now talking about the buttons, Corsair has used top quality ultra durable arm-run switches that offer a lifespan of around 50 million clicks, and even though it had 8 buttons, all of them can be easily accessed with your fingers. So that is one good thing, the design was ergonomic. Now let me tell you about the special features of the mouse. It's a fully programmable mouse and each and every feature on it can be tweaked and adjusted easily using Corsair's IQ software. As mentioned earlier, all the 8 buttons on it can be programmed to any function you like, and not just that, you can even set macros and save up to 3 onboard memory profiles for different scenarios. That is a very useful feature. Coming to the RGB lighting, now this part is really awesome. It's got a 9-zone dynamic RGB lighting, and each and every zone can be independently controlled, or you can even sync all the lighting zones together. The software offers a lot of beautiful lighting effects to choose from. Just have a look at this clip. Now let's talk about the performance and my experience using it. See, usually a lot of people think that wireless mouse is not as good as a wired mouse, especially while gaming. But that is not at all the case over here. Corsair's Dark Core RGB Pro completely kills that statement. Most of the time I was using the mouse connected via the wireless dongle, and let me tell you, I had a great gaming experience. The wireless mode on it utilizes Corsair's special slipstream technology that offers hyperfast wired-like experience, with the delay being less than 1 millisecond. And the best part is the stability and the range, guys. In this mode you can use the mouse even up to 50 to 60 feet away from your PC. That is total madness. A Bluetooth mouse could never offer you that. And coming to the gaming performance, I had a blast playing games like Pubg and Doom. The mouse offers hyper fast speeds with a polling rate of up to 2000 Hz and absolutely no latency at all. And also the skid pads on the bottom were so smooth, the mouse was just gliding on my mouse pad. No, I'm not exaggerating, the Dark Core Pro offered a great gaming experience. Alright, now here comes the main question. How is the battery life? It's got a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery, and in the 2.4G slipstream mode with the RGB lighting turned on, I was getting around 15 hours of battery life. And with the RGB lighting off, you can get around like 30 to 35 hours of battery life. But what I've observed was, in the Bluetooth mode, the mouse was offering a slightly higher battery life of around 40 hours. Well, that was my video on the new wireless gaming mouse from Corsair, the Dark Core RGB Pro Wireless. This is hands down one of the best wireless gaming mouse I've used till now. I like the design, offers good comfort, love that 9-zone RGB lighting, and offers excellent performance in the wireless mode. The mouse is not yet available in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.